In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube. Before we even start telling you how to do that, you must make a channel first. I'm not going to show you how to do that bit. You must sign up to a YouTube channel and have a channel ready for you to put your videos on. But once you have, the way you upload a video is by going to your channel, click on the little plus symbol, which is always at the top here. Click on that, click on upload video. Choose your video from where it's saved on your device by clicking on the select files button. Find your video, so there's mine, how to upload a video to YouTube. It will then take you to this screen where you can give it a suitable title. It's always best to give it a very clear title that anybody scrolling past or looking at it will be able to very quickly and clearly see what the video is about. How to upload a video to YouTube sounds pretty straightforward. Give it a description. You might also want to put in there a link to your website if you have one, but give quite a clear description of what the video is about in there. Choose one of the parts of your video to set as a thumbnail. You will only be able to upload a very specific thumbnail, and I'll show you mine in a minute what that looks like. In fact, I'll show you now. So I have thumbnails on all of my videos. You can see that I've color-coded my playlists. You can only upload a thumbnail if you have registered or verified your YouTube account, okay? So you may want to think about doing that if you want to choose some thumbnails, but otherwise you can just choose a particular stage within your video to set as your thumbnail. The other reason why you may want to register your YouTube account is that it will allow you to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, which would save you a great deal of time editing if you create videos that are longer than 15 minutes, okay? The next thing you want to do, and this is quite important even though it seems, like you could easily skip by this, is to put that video in one of your playlists. So I've already set up some playlists. I'm going to put video creation and editing there. If I haven't got a playlist ready that's specific for this video, I will click on new playlist and create a new playlist name. But it's important to do this because later on you can then organise your channel and have groups of videos together to make it easier for people who are on your or visiting your channel to find videos that you have made that are all of a similar theme or topic. The next thing I do is I always select yes, it's made for kids. This automatically turns off the comments, which is a good feature if you're using it with your students. You don't really want them commenting, or you might if that's something that you want to do, but I always put it yes, it's made for kids to switch that off. At this point, you can copy the video link and you can use that in your Google assignments or any assignments that you're going to share with students, but you can always get the link a bit later on if you don't copy it now. Click next again. This is an important stage. You need to either set your video to private, which means only you or anyone you choose will see it. Unlisted is quite a common one for teachers, where you don't have your channel visible to the public, but you can share the link with your students, or you can set it to public so that anybody can search for your video and find it and look at it. I always set it to public. I don't mind anybody wanting to use my videos with their own students, but I know a lot of teachers would usually set it to unlisted, so it's entirely up to you how you feel about that. Then click save. Depending on how long your video is, it could take up to 15 minutes, if not longer. This is a very short video, so it doesn't take that long to save. And there it is, appearing in my list of channel videos. So you can see there's all my channel videos. This is a bit of a dashboard that only I can see. If I wanted to, I can go in and change some of these. So for instance, at the minute, the visibility is set to unlisted, but I could easily go back and change that if I wanted to. Okay, or I could go back into the edit details, change the description if I wanted to update the description, or I could go in and I could play it. So I could actually play the video on YouTube, and then I could copy and paste that link there if I wanted to for my students. So there's multiple ways to get the link to get it to your students. Okay, and that's essentially it. Have fun!